to happen if within the next 5 to 10 years your favorite animal is extinct? How we're living today, this is a definite possibility. Increasing global temperatures are expected to disrupt ecosystems, pushing to extinction the species that cannot adapt. How would you like to save these animals? How would you like to help our environment and save our planet? What would you do? From knowing what is going on in our planet today and how we're living is affecting our planet, and through extensive research, I have learned what we can do to save our planet. Global warming is a continuing rise in global temperature of Earth's atmosphere. It is generally due to the greenhouse effect, which is the trapping of gases and heat in the atmosphere. Many people think global warming is a myth, but those people are incredibly wrong. Knowing the causes of global warming, the impact, and the prevention methods will help save our planet and make it better for the future. Humans have a major role in the cause of global warming. Humans emit large amounts of greenhouse gases daily. The most responsible gas for the global climate change is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is released into the air by the burning of fossil fuels such as oil and coal. As of 2013, around 82% of the accounted carbon dioxide in the air was caused from human activities such as transportation, factories, and using electricity. Humans have not been the only cause of global warming. There are natural causes that need to be addressed and known as well. Solar activities are a cause of the climate change. There have been discoveries and changes in the sun's activity and its magnetic field. Another natural cause is the melting permafrost. As the thick ice begins to melt, carbon is emitted into the air because large amounts were trapped in the permafrost and froze within it. Now that the causes are known and you're more aware, now we can look at how global warming is affecting our planet. Because of what is being emitted, our air is changing, our water is changing, the environment is changing. These are not changes for the better. Hopefully these impacts will make you more aware of global warming and how to help. The increasing air temperature is causing extreme weather events such as droughts, floods, and many others. The temperature is affecting lakes and rivers by affecting their habitats and bringing disease and death to the animals that live there. It's called the circle of life. If something at the bottom of the food chain dies off, it will drastically affect our world as we know it. We don't realize how much an animal can affect our environment if it is gone. This climate change is life-threatening for all of us. It is threatening for water availability, access, and quality. Because of extreme rainfall, municipal sewer systems are overflowing into drinking water supplies. If there is drought, the lower water levels will cause higher shipping costs and it will be harder to access drinkable water. Many people think that in order to save our environment, they have to change their entire way of life. I'm going to tell you some ways to help reduce the causes and effects of global warming with a few simple tips. Knowing how to reduce the causes and the effects of global warming will help our environment and our planet live longer. There are many simple things that can be done at home to help reduce human emission in the atmosphere. First, by conserving energy and electricity by reducing its use in our home, we can greatly reduce the amount of fossil fuels emitted. Examples of saving electricity include turning your lights off when you're not using them, turning your water off when you're brushing your teeth, switching to more energy light-efficient bulbs, and unplugging electronics when not in use. What can be done outside of the home? By purchasing a more fuel-efficient car can help you reduce emissions. Carpooling is another great way to help. And then reduce, reuse, and recycle are 3 great ways to help save energy that would be produced when making new products. Today I've told you the causes of global warming, the impact on us and the environment, and ways to reduce the causes and effects of global warming. I have spoken to you and given you advice on how to help save our environment and to persuade to you that global warming is having a huge effect on our planet. And if we don't start by making small changes now, our planet will no longer be what it is today or what it used to be. By taking simple steps and informing your friends and family of little ways to help our environment, you can help save our planet. Remember, global warming is real, and if we don't act now, the Earth will change as we know it, and it won't be for the better.